The 2023 Skoda Karoq will be updated to take on the second commercial phase of the first generation of this SUV. However, we can already see some new features in the Skoda Karoq 2023. Aesthetically, this SUV will have a new grille and as an option, full LED headlight similar to the new Skoda Octavia. Interior. On the interior, new features from the Karoq Skoda 2023 will also light up. The Scan brand will install a next-generation modular infotainment kit, the MIB3 system, with a touchscreen. Engine, and according to information from AMS, the SUV will also launch a plug-in hybrid IV version based on the variant already presented in the Octavia sedan. As such, the new Skoda Karoq IV 2023 will also rely on a 150 HP TSI petrol engine and 75 kW electric drive, about 100 HP of equivalent power. 2023 Skoda Karoq release date and price. It is likely that the 2023 Skoda Karoq price will increase slightly compared to the 2022 Karoq. Currently, the Karoq ranges from $32,990 for the 110 TSI and $39,990 for the 140 TSI Sportline 4x4 based on the release date of the last year. Skoda will introduce the 2023 Karoq in the fall of 2022.